Learn English vocabulary. English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Monday, May 5th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Jennifer is working and she is tired. She needs a... Correct. Number 2, to do something recently. This means not very long ago. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer's break is at 10 a.m. Jennifer's break is at 10 a.m. Break. On her break, she can rest. She doesn't have to work during her break. Now we can make a flashcard for break. Please write break up here in the top left corner. B-R-E-A-K. Down here, the code N1, IV2. N1, we're doing now, means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 25 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A, like ABC, A. Break. In our program, we also teach to take a break. We will learn that another day. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Did you play tennis recently? Did you play tennis recently? Recently. It means, did you play tennis 1 week ago or 2 weeks ago? Not very long ago. And the answer is, yes, I did. Or, no, I didn't. Now we can make a flashcard for recently. Please make a card like this. The basic form is to do something recently. Please write that on your card. Down here in this corner, ADV 1. This means adverb, level 1. And over here the number 30 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Recently. Recently. Game over. You did very well today. Are you tired? Do you need a break? Very good. And did you play tennis recently? Means only 1 week ago or 2 weeks ago. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is a very long chair for many people. Correct. That's a bench. Number 2, can you say it? Very good. Platypus. This is a very interesting animal from Australia. Number 3, to chase something. Yes, something is here and you are chasing it. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.